Line breaks can be a great way to format information in a cell. Hi, this is Sarah from Contextures.com. To create one, you just need to use an easy keyboard shortcut, Alt and Enter. I already have some in this document, and I'm just going to add another. As a bonus, you'll see the cell is automatically formatted as wrap text. What if you decide this is no longer what you want? First, we're going to select the area that we want to change. Let's head to Find and Replace. You can get there either by going to the magnifying glass on your home ribbon or by using the keyboard shortcut Control-H. Make sure you're on the Replace tab. And we'll start with Find What. Now, if we put in the shortcut we used earlier, Alt-Enter, you're just going to get rejected. So we need to use the shortcut Control-J. Now, you're not going to see anything, but trust that it's there. Now hit Tab to move down to Replace With. Now, depending on how you want your data to look, you could replace with a space, a comma, dash, whatever you want to see in the cell, type it here. I'm going to use a space. Hit Find Next, and we'll see the first instance, then Replace to make the change. You can then click Replace All and see that it found 2 more. Those are your shortcuts for line breaks. Make, find, and replace them.
Thanks for watching this video. You can go to my website, Contextures.com, to get this workbook, and please subscribe to my Contextures YouTube channel so you can see the latest videos as I post them.